The DJI Osmo Nano has quickly become one of the most talked about compact cameras of the year, with leaks and insider information sparking major excitement among creators and tech enthusiasts. While the company has a strong track record with products like the DJI Action series and Osmo Pocket line, the Nano appears to take things in a slightly different direction, aiming directly at the ultra-portable POV point-of-view camera market. Early reports suggest it is not just another miniature camera, but instead a thoughtfully engineered, modular system that brings flexibility, ease of use, and professional-level specs into an incredibly lightweight body. It is positioned against strong competitors like the Insta360 Go Ultra and the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini, yet it manages to carve out its own identity through unique design choices and integration with DJI's ecosystem. For vloggers, adventurers, and everyday creators who want to capture life on the move, the Osmo Nano is shaping up to be a strong contender. At the heart of its appeal is the modular design. Unlike most traditional pocket-sized cameras that come in a fixed body, the Osmo Nano embraces adaptability. Leaked diagrams show that the camera is built around a compact core unit that attaches magnetically to a variety of accessories. This allows users to switch setups in seconds. Imagine filming from a chest-mounted perspective while biking, then instantly detaching and snapping it onto a tripod for a static shot. It's designed to make that transition seamless. This magnetic modularity appears to be a refined evolution of what DJI first introduced with the Action 2. However, the Osmo Nano's execution looks cleaner, more versatile, and far more polished. Some of the leaked accessories highlight just how creative DJI expects its users to get with the Nano. For example, there's a magnetic claw that can clip onto fabrics, opening up fun possibilities like attaching the camera to a dog's collar for playful POV footage. A ball joint mount allows for adjustable shooting angles, helping creators frame shots in dynamic environments. Dual magnetic adapters are designed for mounting on vehicles or helmets, ideal for cyclists, skiers, or motorsport enthusiasts. There's also mention of a mount cap for headbands, giving hikers and fitness enthusiasts a completely hands-free recording option. This modular philosophy is all about empowering users to adapt the camera to their needs rather than forcing them into a single shooting style. In terms of physical design, DJI has packed a lot into the Nano's small frame. The camera features a wide-angle lens, perfect for immersive, expansive shots. A subtle but functional green status indicator sits on top, letting you know when the device is recording or charging. This indicator is integrated into the detachable magnetic module, maintaining a sleek and uncluttered look. The build quality also gets attention. Early reports mention a brushed metal finish that not only looks premium, but adds durability without unnecessary weight. Despite the advanced construction, the Nano's core unit is expected to weigh under 58 grams, lighter than most smartphones, and even more portable than many competing action cameras. Storage is another area where DJI seems to have thought things through carefully. Instead of forcing buyers to rely exclusively on microSD cards, the Osmo Nano offers internal storage options of either 64 GB or 128 GB, in addition to having a microSD card slot for expansion. This means creators can film worry-free, knowing they have flexibility depending on the type and length of content they're capturing. This hybrid approach puts it ahead of competitors like the Insta360 Go Ultra, which lacks expandable storage and relies only on fixed internal memory. One of the standout features, especially considering the camera's tiny size, is the built-in OLED touchscreen. While many small POV cameras cut corners by requiring a smartphone for live previews, DJI has managed to include a high-quality display directly on the device. This makes it much easier to adjust settings, frame shots, and monitor footage without having to pair it with a phone every time. For creators who value speed and independence while shooting, this feature alone adds tremendous value. Battery performance and charging capabilities are equally impressive. The Osmo Nano supports rapid charging that can bring the battery up to 80% in just 20 minutes via USB-C. Even better, it offers bidirectional power, meaning the camera itself can serve as a power bank to charge other devices in a pinch. That's the kind of practical feature adventurers and on-the-go creators will appreciate when they're out in the field for long sessions. The estimated battery life ranges between 2 to 2.5 hours, which is competitive in this category. Video capabilities are where the Osmo Nano really shines. Leaks suggest support for DCI 4K at 60 FPS for cinematic recording, UHD 4K at 120 FPS for smooth slow motion, and 1080p at 240 FPS for ultra slow motion effects. These options give creators the flexibility to shoot both professional quality cinematic clips and playful action sequences. On top of this, DJI is including its highly regarded stabilization system, Rocksteady 3.0, along with Horizon Lock to keep footage level no matter how much the camera tilts. This means smoother, more professional-looking videos even in chaotic shooting environments. Beginners will appreciate the intelligent stabilization modes, while advanced users can still take advantage of pro-level results. AI also plays a key role in the Nano's appeal. Active AI tracking allows the camera to intelligently follow moving subjects, ensuring they stay in frame during fast-paced activities like running, biking, or sports. This technology has become increasingly common in DJI's ecosystem, and its inclusion here makes the Nano a powerful tool for solo creators who can't always rely on someone else to operate the camera. Audio integration is another strong point. The Osmo Nano is designed to pair seamlessly with DJI's Mic 3, a wireless audio solution that ensures high-quality sound, something many POV cameras struggle with. Alongside that, the device works with the DJI Mimo app, which provides live previews, AI-powered editing tools, one-tap filters, and instant social media sharing. This tight software integration turns the Nano into more than just a camera. It becomes an entire content creation workflow, reducing the time between capturing footage and publishing it online. Price leaks suggest that DJI Osmo Nano will come in at €369, about $338 for the 64GB version, and €399 around $365 for the 128GB model. Considering the feature set, modular design, and accessories, this pricing is quite competitive. It positions the Nano below the Insta360 Go Ultra, which retails closer to $399, while staying in line with GoPro's pricing structure. For many buyers, the combination of affordability and advanced features could make the Nano the most appealing option. Taken together, the DJI Osmo Nano looks like a bold new chapter for DJI's portable camera lineup. By combining modular design, high-end stabilization, AI-powered features, expandable storage, and fast charging, it manages to set itself apart from both Insta360 and GoPro while still remaining competitively priced. Whether you're capturing cinematic slow-motion clips, recording outdoor adventures, or simply vlogging your daily life, the Nano seems engineered to adapt to almost any scenario. Since all of this is still based on leaks, we'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement to confirm the full details. But if the rumors hold true, the Osmo Nano could quickly become the go-to choice for anyone seeking a lightweight yet powerful POV camera. With its mix of portability, flexibility, and professional features, it's not just another mini camera. It's a creative tool designed for the modern content creator.